So Salsa, it's a Horizon 2020 project. It has been financed by the European Commission, and it involves 16 partners in different regions of Europe, but also in Africa. So you have most partners in Europe, but we also have partners in Europe, in Africa. And we have research partners, we have a small enterprise, we have an association, and we have a very large entity, which is FAO. So it's very diverse as a consortium. It's not one of these new projects which are multi-actor projects. It was a research project, but which should involve different types of partners, and that's what we have done. So it's a kind of experiment with what a multi-actor project is. The big need for the Salsa project was to provide evidence about the role of small farms in the food system. So for what role do small farms play for food and nutrition security, and we have addressed through understanding how they contribute to the food system and why this is needed. There's an ongoing trend which has been there for a long time for centralization and specialization of the farming structure. So disappearance of small farms and concentration in very large farms. And very large farms seem to be more competitive in the global markets. But there's also an acknowledgement that there are roles provided by small farms which maybe are important and large farms cannot provide. So the interest of Salsa is to show what exactly are small farms doing, and are they really contributing to the food system in a meaningful way, in a significant way. In Europe, because there's a lot of research done in other parts of the world about small farms, because they are the large majority. But in Europe they are also in very big numbers, but the large-scale farming has been dominating since the middle of the 20th century. So the importance of Salsa has been to focus on Europe and look at what's going on with these small farms, what is their role, and then compare with some regions in Africa to see, do we have the same types of farmers or not, or the same problems, also the same qualities and the same capacity to involve in networks and to involve with self-provisioning as small farms in Africa. So I think this comparison makes a lot of sense, but mainly it has been to provide this evidence of what exactly is the role of small farmers in Europe presently.